Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can see ChatGPT's responses in AI Impact Search Analysis extension, analyze them, see the citations like this, see the answers, and also analyze brand mention. To do this, first of all, make sure you have the AI Search Impact Analysis extension installed, and just again make sure it's active. So just toggle this button to activate it. Here is the place that you can paste the prompts in a comma separated format. And also, if you want to force web search, just toggle this on. If you want it to delete all of the chats after each prompt, toggle this on as well to keep your history of chats clean. So here you can see I will paste a couple of prompts that are comma separated like this, and then I will click on the search button. The extension now starts to type each of the prompts in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will do the job, and after the answer is ready, it will click on the sources button, and on the sidebar, all of the sources will appear. Here, it will extract all of the sources, and then quickly it will delete the chat. And then it moves towards the next one, the next prompt. So now let's wait for all of them and see what happens next. After you see this button, this means that the full report is ready and you can start taking a look at the results. Just I usually expand this for a better view, and if you go to citation report, you can see all of the keywords are here and the cited domains are also clearly mentioned. So if they are directly cited in the response, they are in blue under direct citations, and if there are like other additional sources in the sources tab, you will see them in purple. Also, we have this chart that shows this data in a better way. You can also select to see specific domains. So for example, if you are owning this website and you want to see how many times you are mentioned, you can just do this. And if you directly click on this button, you can export that specific report only for citations of your business as well. So you can see these are only the citations of the website that I selected. And you can select more if you want to compare, or you can just clear all of those items as well. Below this, we have this table which shows all of the domains, how many times they are cited. So for example, you can see Wikipedia is cited 8 times for 3 of the keywords, 7 times it's directly cited, and 1 time it was just an additional source. Clearly, it gives you an idea. And if you really want to filter this, you can also do that. So for example, if you want to only see one of them, it's very easy. Just filter it like this. The other tab that we have here is the ChatGPT answers or responses. And you can see if you expand this, you can see all of their responses are recorded here, and you can download it. So if you want to keep a record of them. And the other interesting thing that we have is the brand check. So for instance, if you want to compare your brand like IBM with anything else, like I would say AI, for example, it's not a brand, but just to test it. So for example, AI art, things like any comma separated brand name that you want to compare your brand against, just enter it here and click on analyze brand mentions. And you can see here, for example, IBM is mentioned 13 times for 3 keywords, and all other competitors are mentioned 29 times. And you can see more in-depth analysis as well, like AI is mentioned 28 times for 4 keywords. Art is mentioned 1 time for 1 keyword. You can do it for anything. If you want a specific word also, you can do it for that word as well. But usually it's better to use it for brands. And you can see this comparison as well. Your brand versus all of the other brands that are mentioned are here. And at the end, we have this table which shows each brand is mentioned for which of those keywords, which is really helpful. And I also like to show you this feature. If you click on it, download the full report, you will have a nice file that you can use for further analysis. You can see all of the keywords are here. Citation report is clearly visible, and domain count report is here. All of the ChatGPT's responses plus all of the citation links are again in the ChatGPT responses tab, and keyword length is not really important here, but I still kept it in case you need it.